use the QuickTime player on my Mac computer to make this screen video. I am going to add a YouTube video since that's what I had the most difficult with. So I am on my Halfpop test in English skills. I'm going to create an assignment, and I'm going to add a YouTube video. So you click that. I'm going to type in editing a paragraph and see what I can find for videos. Obviously there's different ones here to choose from. I'm going to choose this one because I've already looked at it. So you click on it and hit add. It pops it in to my assignment there. Where I was struggling, I thought you had to get a URL and all that stuff, but you don't have to. It just pops it right in. So I'm just going to title this Editing a Paragraph. And what I'm going to have the kids do is watch the video. This is instructions. And then go back and edit one of your Google Docs that you wrote for me as a pro using the tips from the video. So there's the instructions. I could hit assign, but before I do that, I need to give it a point value. I'll just make it worth 10 points. As for a date, I'll make the due date the 26th. And I'm not going to give it a topic. I could. I have math and writing on here, but I'm not going to for this particular assignment. So I think I have everything, so I'm going to hit assign. And there's all my writing things that I've been creating for this, but it's right up here, editing a paragraph, and it's there. Kids can click on it. It's right there. It says what to do. And they can click on the video and watch the video.
Editing your writing.
So this is how you add a YouTube video to an assignment. Thanks for listening.